The management of the University of Health and Allied Sciences wants government to complete stalled projects on campus. Vice-Chancellor Professor Lydia Aziato outlines the laboratory project, the Sokode Campus Access Road, and the School of Public Health in Fodome as projects that need urgent attention. She was speaking at the 8th graduation of the university.
1,338 students who have met the requirements graduated in the first session of the 8th congregation of the University of Health and Allied Sciences. They comprise regular, sandwich, and postgraduate students in the schools of Health and Allied Sciences, Basic and Biomedical Sciences, Medicine, Nursing and Midwifery, Pharmacy, Public Health, and Sports and Exercise Medicine. Addressing the congregation, the Vice-Chancellor of UHAS, Professor Lydia Aziato, appealed for the timely completion of stalled projects.
The Almighty Lab Complex, which is supposed to be the largest laboratory in West Africa, is 72% complete. Honorable Minister's representative, this project started in 2014. Next year will be 10 years. And we are pleading that if 2023 is not possible, 2024 should not pass us by. So we are pleading that this lab complex and the Fodome project, which is only 58 complete, is also started in 2014, will help us through your good officers for GET funds to release money so that we can complete these two projects. I would not want to add any more to the road. You came this morning, you saw it yourself, you experienced it yourself.
The Deputy Director General of the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, Professor Yaya Jakajie, assured of an early completion of the projects.
Government in the coming months will be granting clearance to all tertiary institutions across the country. This is to enable them recruit and replace critical staff in the country, in their institutions. Let me also assure the University of Health and Allied Sciences that all projects commenced by the government of Ghana, including the China Phase 2 projects, as well as the access road and the laboratory complex, all projects will be completed in due course.
A former provost of the College of Health Sciences at the University of Ghana, Reverend Professor Patrick Aye Kumi, entreated the graduates to abreast themselves with the current trends of technology-driven healthcare.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the 21st century is widely recognized as the age of technology. In recent years, healthcare has experienced remarkable advancement through technological innovations. Consequently, stakeholders are constantly investing in technology-driven healthcare to guarantee the provision of high-quality services. As upcoming health professionals, you need to prepare yourself to effectively utilize this technology.
Fred Kwame Asari, Joy News.
Let's stay on education. Now, the Techima North Educational Directorate has honored 10 retiring teachers for their years of selfless service as teachers across the district. Bono East Regional Director of Education, Efua Amwa, who was speaking at a ceremony in Tuobodom, lauded the directorate for the recognition and urged other districts to emulate same to improve education across the region. Anasabe has more.
Retirement marks a significant milestone in a teacher's life, a time to celebrate years of dedication, hard work, and the countless lives they've touched. Sadly, however, retired teachers, particularly those in the Bono East region, are hardly given the needed recognitions as they bow out of service, unlike other office staff under the Ghana Education Service. To change this age-long practice, the Techima North District Education Directorate, led by the District Education Director, is for the first time ever holding a send-off ceremony for 10 teachers going on retirement across the district. District Director of Education, Mrs. Theresa Pebu, narrates what informed her decision to come up with this historic move.
To be honest, I'm happy today that this dream that I had come to reality. When I was in the classroom, I realized that anytime staff on the office were going on retirement, they had send off. But I realized that teachers, when they're going on pension, they just take their bags and they are gone. So when I became director, it dawned on me that why is it that only officers, staff in the office, organize send-off, and those in the classrooms cannot organize send-off. So when it dawned on me, I sold the idea to my management, and they bought into it. And that's how we've reached this far.
Mrs. Teresa Pebu is optimistic that the move will motivate other teachers as well as leave a lasting memory in the minds of the retired teachers.
It will be a lasting memory in them. For the fact that we even gave them citation. Citations are things that do not rot. If you hang it in your room, anytime you wake up and you look at it, I mean, it goes back to memory lane. And you can see the excitement in them. And since this is the first time, I can say that, I mean, it was successful. And the retirees are happy. It is serving as motivation to other teachers in the field. That when you serve and you retire in the district, we'll give some small honor.
Regional Director of Education, Mrs. Ifua Amwa, lauded the Techiman North Education Directorate and admonished other districts to emulate same.
I want to commend the district director together with the corps executive for initiating this great move. This is the first of its kind, I think even in Bono East, and I'm sure it is a motivation for those who are yet to come, those who are to retire, hoping that they would also be recognized in due course. As I said, it's a great move, and I'm sure those who are represented here have seen. They can replicate it together with other stakeholders and also honor their retirees.
She urged both teaching and non-teaching staff to serve with dedication to enable them impact positively on the educational system.
Everybody's work is not an easy one, including teachers. So if we have this work which God has endowed us with, let us do it with dedication and with passion. Certainly we would affect lives in a positive way.
The retired teachers who were excited at the honor and recognition given them were thankful to the directorate and urged all to support teachers across the area.
Mr. Chairman, we are very grateful to the district director, the entire directorate, the organizers of this program for the honor done us. We appreciate it very much. I hope this initiative will continue so that future retirees will also benefit from this initiative.
Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Chebodo.